Hey there, folks! Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of elderberries and uncovering the incredible benefits they offer, especially for our beloved elders. So, if you're ready to learn about this powerhouse berry, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Before we get into the benefits, let's talk a bit about what elderberries are. Elderberries are the fruit of the elder tree, scientifically known as sambucus. These small, dark purple berries are packed with nutrients and have been used for centuries for their medicinal properties. Immune system boost. One of the standout benefits of elderberries is their ability to boost the immune system. They're rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and dietary fiber, which can help support your body's defenses against illnesses. So, whether it's flu season or you just want an extra immunity boost, elderberries are a fantastic option. Respiratory health elderberries are also known for their positive impact on respiratory health. They contain compounds that can help ease symptoms of colds and flu, like coughing and congestion. Plus, they might even reduce the duration of these illnesses, which is great news for seniors who are more susceptible to respiratory issues. Heart health. Maintaining a healthy heart is crucial as we age, and elderberries can contribute to that. They contain anthocyanins, which are known to support cardiovascular health. Regular consumption may help reduce the risk of heart-related problems, such as high blood pressure and cholesterol. Rich in antioxidants, elderberries are a powerhouse when it comes to antioxidants. These compounds help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting overall health, especially as we get older. Digestive issues can become more common as we age, but elderberries can help. They have natural laxative effects and are rich in dietary fiber, aiding in healthy digestion and potentially preventing constipation. So there you have it, folks. Elderberries are a nutritional treasure trove that can provide numerous benefits, particularly for our elders. From boosting the immune system to supporting heart and respiratory health, these little berries pack a punch. Before you go, remember that it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before adding new supplements or foods to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from elderberries. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.